This institution, known for its remarkable performance in academics, skill training, and extracurricular activities, was one of the first 5 secondary schools to be upgraded in 1988. What school, you may ask? It's Gill High School, and today we'll be exploring career choices at their Career Day event.
Thank you for being here at Gill High School, our creme de la creme institution since 1971.
Organizing a career day at school is a great approach to inspire students to explore alternative income earning options and expose them to a variety of industries. Here at Gill, you will find the students engaged in various professional opportunities that can dramatically improve their chances and catapult them to new heights.
We showcase the different varieties of vegetables.
Among the many career paths explored at the school, agro-processing is regarded as one of the most promising options for students in the current economic climate.
We want our students to understand what agro-processing is all about. We are taking agricultural products and we are taking them either from fisheries, agriculture or forestry, and we're adding value to them, and we want them, the students, to understand that money can be made in agricultural science.
Putting that principle into action, the school's farm served as a source of raw materials for several of the products on display at their career day.
You're also going to see our agro-processing line, the many things that we process here at the Gill High School, such as what we call, for example, our green juice, the lettuce juice that is sweetened with honey or sugar. And then we have the schoolboys protein punch that we have available to ensure that our students have energy and that they're able to do well in teaching and learning at this school.
My name is Chadraeli and this is our schoolboys protein punch. We have one that is sweetened with honey and one that is sweetened with sugar. What is contained in it? We have boiled chicken breast and we have oats, spices, milk.
I want to pursue agro-processing as a career because I want to contribute to the growth and development of the country, and without agro-processing that is not possible. So like agriculture processing helps reduce famine and poverty, and those are the big things that make the country undeveloped. So that's the reason why.
Here are some things students must think about when considering agro-processing as a future career. 1. Be open to learning new technologies and stay updated on the latest trends to remain competitive. 2. Understand the importance of sustainable agro-processing practices. This could be anything from practices that minimizes waste or reduce energy consumption to adhering to ethical labor standards. Another thing, you must research the market to find out about emerging new products, consumer preferences, and global trade trends to find your niche. And naturally, if you want to gain a head start, you should pursue degrees in fields like food science, agricultural engineering, or business administration.
We want our students to consider agro-processing because there's money to be made. They just need a small startup. And we have so many different options that out there.
Students, agro-processing is all about coming up with a concept, developing a product with value added, and promoting that product all the way to the consumers.
It is awesome!
Just look at the advantages of pursuing a career in agricultural processing.
Remember that we are taking products originating from agriculture, fisheries and forestry. We're adding value to that product so that we can make money. There'll be job creation, there'll be food security for this entire nation.
By pursuing education and gaining practical experience in agro-processing, students can contribute significantly to the sustainable development of the agriculture sector while building rewarding careers for themselves.